Shall we proceed to next topic? Just check once all points from the point number 1. Are we going in sequence? Any points we jumped? Any point is need to cover? Check once. What point number? Did we cover Gmail and MVC architectures? Okay. So, except the remaining all points covered now? Okay. Now let's continue. Any doubts from last class? Type conversion, typecasting? Right. So we completed long and float data types. Right? We have finished long and data types. Long can be assigned to float, but float cannot be assigned to long because float data type range is greater than a long data type range. Okay, today we'll try to complete remaining points. Char and number data types. Okay. Okay, give me 2 minutes. Think yourself. Can I assign character to int variable, int literal to char data type? Please read once, check once, yourself think once. What are the points we are going to cover? Think once. Can I run these cases? Choice is yours. If you want me to type everything, I will type. No need means I will show you all these cases. What is your choice? Okay. If I remove them, totally how many lines are there? 73 lines are there. Okay, I remove it and I'll type it. Or just run these cases. Choice is yours. Which one you prefer? What is the difference between typing and running? What is the difference in typing and running? Three people are asking me to type. So what are you expecting by typing? Come on. Dinesh. First time I am seeing your name, Baba. Dinesh. Preeti. Think once. What is the difference between typing and what do you call running? So now I'm not going to type. Okay. So even I type also same points will come, nothing new. So you people think in the written test exam, this is a written test exam. In the written test exam, people will not type in front of you. You have to read the program and you have to answer what is the output of that program, right? You must practice this way also. Programs anyways we are typing, na? So bits also if you don't read and understand by yourself, then no use of it, right? Let's start. Tell me, is this line right or wrong? What I did, I have assigned a character to char variable. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Because character can be stored in character. Char literal can be stored in char variable. Compiled. No problem. What is displayed? What is displayed? ch1 is a variable of what type? Char. So it should display value in what format? Character format. So output will be A only will come. Next. Char ch2 equal to 97. Tell me, char ch2 equal to 97. 97 allowed or not allowed? I told you assignment operator will verify two rules. Rule number one, source value, variable type. Source value type and variable type must be compatible. Okay? Source value and variable type must be compatible. If they are compatible, then compiled. Then verifying what? Range. If range also, no problem. 97 what type? Int type. Okay? Int type. Tell me, int value what? 97. Yesterday I told you, compiler will have two algorithms. If you assign variable, it will verify only type. Okay, it will verify only type range. Type range. If you assign literal, it will verify value range. What I assigned here? 97. 97 what type? Int. Int and char are compatible. Then JV compiler itself consider 97. If it is a literal, compiler will consider 97. Is 97 in the range of char? Yes. Char range is what? 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. Okay, na? So 97 is in the range of 0 to 65,535. So allowed. Clear? Compile successfully. But what is the value you will get? 97 we will get or what do you call 97 will get or A will get? 97 stored in CH2. Via CH2, what is coming? A. Yesterday I told, remember, cloud, rainfall is there. You are going through this one. While you are coming out, you will come as a wet body. Right? You have touched the char, converted to char. Control 1, compile, control 2, yeah. Okay? 1 minute. These lines compiled or not, check, okay? These lines are compiled or not, check. What am I doing? You verify. 1 minute. Meanwhile, you think I have a small phone call. So, and then I will continue again. Start sharp. Is it allowed? I am assigning character to int variable. Is it allowed? Yes, allowed. Tell me, what will be stored? Int I1 equal to 99, system.out.println I1. What will you get? You will get 98 as it is. Now if you assign a character to int variable below, this character is compatible with int, and when you store character, it is converting to what value? Int value. What the value of single quote be? 98. So 98 stored here and return that value. Control 1, control 2. You are getting 98 only. So now we need to understand one point here. What is that? Character char data type is compatible with all number data types. First point, char data type is compatible with all data. All which data types? Numeric data types. Okay, what are the numeric data types? Byte, short, int, long, float, double. Okay, now that's a point number 1. What the point number 2? Hence we can assign any character literal to numeric data types. Third point, we can assign int literal to char variable. Then when we assign char literal to int variable, int literal to char variable, the required conversion ASCII character to ASCII number and vice versa will be done by either compiler or JVM automatically. Can I hope all you understand these points? These are first section points you need to understand. Now the rules starts. What the rules? Point number 5. We can assign int literal to char variable only in the range of 0 to 65,535 only. You cannot assign any int literal to char variable. You can assign int literal to char variable only in the range of 0 to 65,535 only. Where is that? Tell me, is this allowed or not? 255 I assigned. Is it allowed or not? Allowed. Okay, only tell me compiled or not. Enough. And tell me 255, can I assign? Yes, compiled successfully, no problem. Next, 260, allowed or not allowed? 260, 260, come on, 260, allowed or not allowed? 260, allowed or not allowed? Array, 260 not in the range of ASCII range here. ASCII range is only up to 260, not in the range of ASCII. ASCII range is only up to 255, 0 to 255 only. But I have assigned 260, then error will come, na? Compiler throw error, right? Yes or no? And tell me, is it allowed or not allowed? Not allowed, right? Tumri fellows, brainless fellows. That's why I used to call you brainless fellows. Already I have typed here 0 to 65,535. And all the people told, allowed by keeping this point in your mind. Now again I'm trapping you. Hey, ASCII 260, crossing the range of 255 ASCII range. Then you are telling, yes sir, not allowed. Tumri fellows, brainless fellows, Gajini fellows. Yes or no? You are number one Gajini fellow, na? Yes or no? You are Gajini or not? Number one Gajini, not normal Gajini also. C language compiler throw error, but in Java, no error. Because Java range is 0 to 65,535. No compile time error. Compile successfully. Okay? Press any key to continue. Compile successfully. The next, tell me. Now I am trying to assign 65,000. Is it allowed? Allowed. Because it's in the range of 65,535. Compile successfully. Executed successfully. Now I am trying to assign 66,000. Is it allowed or not? No, it is not allowed. If you try to assign, compiler will throw error. Look at their possible lossy conversion. Int to char not possible. Okay, int to char is not possible. Okay, now I am commenting this statement. All you agreed up to now? Up to 535 only, not 536. Up to 535 only. CH7 equal to 65,535 allowed. 536 allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Compiler throw error. 65,536 not allowed. To 535 only allowed. Everyone, can I hope all you understand? So, what are the points we discussed? We can assign int literal to char variable. We can assign char literal to int variable. But we can assign int literal to char variable only in the range of 0 to 65,000 only. If you try to assign 65,536 or 66,000, we will get error. Okay. Next question. Tell me, can I assign, next rule, can we assign into variable to char variable and char variable to int variable? Think, can we assign int variable to char variable? Is it possible or not? I can assign int literal to char variable. Okay, we can assign int literal to char variable. Possible. Is it possible to assign char variable to int variable? We can assign char literal to int variable. Okay, can I assign char variable to int variable? Yes, because char range is 0 to 65,535. It is in the range of int data type. It is allowed. And can we assign int variable to char variable? Come on, yesterday topic. When we assign a variable to another variable, one variable to another variable, compiler doesn't see internal value. Compiler will see only the data type range. Int data type range is greater than char data type. So you are not allowed to assign. If you try, compiler throw error. Look at there. I am taking the test case something like this. Char ch8 equal to single quote a. Now I am trying to assign ch8 to int variable. Then is it possible or not? Is this line possible or not? What compiler apply here? Is compiler taking single quote a, not taking char data type? Yesterday Gajnis, remember or forgot? Gajini, respond Gajini first. What compiler will feel? CH8 place, what is placing? Char. What the char data type range? 0 to 65,535. It is in the range of int. So no problem. Compile successfully. Compile successfully. Execution time from CH8. What is coming? A. Is A in the range of int? Yes. And what is stored inside int? 97. So what the answer will get? 97. A and 97. ఇది అర్థం అవ్వలేదు అనుకో నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్స్ చుక్కలే. Did you understand this point? If you don't accept this point, next all topics will show you stars. You know, daytime you will see full stars, different colors stars will come. మిట్ట మధ్యాహ్నం పట్టపగలు మిట్ట మధ్యాహ్నం చుక్కలు కనబడతాయి. అర్థమైందా? All people understand? This line understand? Now, can you please think and tell me, are these lines compiled or not? 97 we can assign to I4. I am trying to assign I4 to CH9. Allowed or not allowed? Here allowed. 97 to char variable is allowed. Direct literal is allowed. But now I am trying to assign via variable. 97 via int variable I am assigning. Allowed or not allowed? Devesh Pandey, if you don't stop using your brain, because if you don't stop using your brains, and Srinivas, if you don't stop using your brain, always you will give wrong answers. I cannot help you. 100% every time you will give wrong answers only. And you will go into confusion because you are using your brain. Stop use your brain. Think like a compiler. Tomorrow, when you are sitting in front of your system or even in your room, in front of you, you please write one paper and stick. Think like a compiler. Don't show your talent. Okay? Write a poster in front of you and write there. Don't show your talent. Think like a compiler. Stop using your brain. Your brain is a dirty brain, empty brain, nothing there in your brain. Okay? Mechanical students are telling correctly yaar. Huh? Mechanical students are telling correctly yaar. Mechanical students are telling correctly yaar. That's what I told you na. Mechanical students will get job very fast, quickly. Non-IT background students will tell answers very quickly, correctly. And you, BTech students, IT students, people are the most dangerous people. I4 is int. Int range is greater than char. Not allowed. Range problem. Compiler throw possible lossy conversion. Don't look at the value. Only look at the data type. Compiler don't know the value. Compiler know only type. Possible loss of conversion from int to char. Now we should tell to compiler the value coming from I4 variable is in the range of char. Please allow to assign. How to tell? By using cast operator. I use cast operator. Now what compiler will see? Int and char compatible. Char can be stored in char. No compile time error. Compile successfully and then executed. What output will get? 97 and A will get. I4 value 97, CH8 is A. No value loss because cast operator functionality is what? The value coming from I4 is in the range of char. So stored in char variable. Everyone understand? This topic is very important. Understand? Look at these lines. Are these lines compiled or not? Please don't use your brain. Apply algorithms and try to tell. Are you working like a compiler or working like a programmer? What the statement I have told you? Char data type is compatible with all numeric data types. Then what you have to verify? Only range points you have to verify. Okay, what I have assigned here? Char literal. If I assign char literal to number data type, then what compiler will see? Type range, value range. Value range. What is this value? 97. Is it in the range of byte? Yes. Any compile time error? No. 97 is in the range of short? Yes. Any compile time error? No. Compiled successfully. Compiled successfully. Executed successfully. We are getting output 97, 97. Now, if you try to assign char variable to byte variable, short variable, is it allowed or not? Come on, come on. What I have assigned here? Variable. If I assign variable, what compiler will be considered? Ask questions yourself. What I assigned variable? Only 2 points. Why you people are confusing? Huh? Why you people are confusing here? Narsimha Prasad. Please unmute. Please tell me, how is it allowed? You give an answer, allowed. Can you help me to understand how is it allowed? Come on, speak.
The line number 35 is line number 35 is in int value char value assigned char data type, sir.
Okay. Line number 35 is allowed. No need to answer that line.
Okay, line
number 36 you must tell, Nana.
Okay, sir.
This is the same type, na. So no need to. No one will ask the question, no.
Yes, sir. Sir, byte variable A is allowed to byte data type, sir. CH111 is A answer, sir. Sir,
is that
byte,
line number 36
line number
allowed?
30, not, sir.
Allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed, sir.
Why not allowed?
Sir, because not invited commas, sir.
Not in a?
Invited commas, sir.
Here it is allowed, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why it is not allowed here? Why you need inverted commas? What is that
A value
CH11?
CH11 A, sir.
What is CH11?
Variable, sir.
Variable.
Variable name.
Why variable
Name.
name you will write in inverted commas? You want to store variable name or variable value?
Variable value, sir.
Then why you need to place in inverted commas? If you place in inverted commas, what will be stored? That itself is stored, na?
Yes, sir.
What do you want to store? It's value you want to store.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, byte B2 equal to CH11, what does it mean? Copy CH11 variable value into B2 variable, right?
Byte B2 variable. Yes, sir.
That copy allowed or not allowed?
Allowed, sir. Allowed, sir.
Why allowed? How allowed?
Because A value is 97, sir. ASCII value.
A value 97. Okay.
Okay, 97 range of byte value is allowed, sir.
Okay. What is CH11?
CH11 is variable name, sir. Variable name is
how many?
variable name.
How much information is there with CH11?
Sir?
With the CH11, you have two informations.
Yes, sir.
If you consider only value, who will consider this? If you don't want to consider it, why you are writing it is a waste, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
When I should consider it? Why other people are telling no? Why other people are telling no? Why other people are telling possible loss? Why other people are telling no? Because they are applying the compiler algorithms I have given, and you are applying your own mind. That is the difference. Understand, Mr. Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Telugu?
Telugu, sir.
నాకు తెలుసు కదా. మనం వింటే అర్థమైద్ది కదా. అసలు సచ్చిన మనకు నచ్చింది మనం చేస్తాం. ఎక్కడ ఆంధ్రానా తెలంగాణ?
ఆంధ్ర, సార్.
తెలుసు కదా. ఆంధ్ర అయితే ఇంకా అసలు సమస్య లేదు, ఏం మాట్లాడక్కర్లా. తెలంగాణ అయితే కొంచెం మాట్లాడచ్చు, కానీ ఆంధ్ర కదా అస్సలు మాట్లాడకూడదు. అసలు మనం సమస్య లేదు. గొర్రెలు మంద మనం కదా, అవునా కదా? నేను కూడా ఆంధ్రాని, నేను కూడా ఒక మీలో ఒక గొర్రె నేను కూడా. మన ఆంధ్ర అంత ఎదవలు ఎవరు లేరు, తెలుసు కదా నీకు. చెప్పింది వినరు, ఆలోచించరు. ఆలోచిస్తే బాగుపడిపోతాం కదా. ఓకే, మన ఇండియా మొత్తంలోకి, వరల్డ్ మొత్తంలోకి మన ఆంధ్ర అంత ఎదవలు ఎవరు లేరు, తెలుసా? నేను కూడా ఆంధ్రానే, మీలో నేను కూడా ఒకనే. I'm keep on telling again and again same point. When use a variable, don't see value. When use a variable, you must see only data type. Compiler doesn't read value. Compiler read only data type. And try to speak, all you people try to tell yourself. One time you tell yourself. Same topics every day I am repeating. Try to tell yourself. Close your eyes, visualize. There are two people are working on this line number, you not working. You type this program and given this program to the compiler. Control 1. Compiler came. Compiler reading your program. Compiler doesn't read value. Think like a compiler. Compiler apply here type. What the type? Char. CH11 is replaced with char. 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 What compiler apply? Char data type range. What the range? 0 to 65,535. Is it in the range of byte? No. Byte range is what? Minus 128 to 127. 127. It is lesser than this one. So compiler cannot store this range value here. So it is throwing error. That's the point we have learned yesterday, day before yesterday. Again today you are committing mistake and think, what should I do? I should murder you now? వినండి, మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే, మీ చెవులతో మీరు వింటేనే పాయింట్లు గుర్తుంటాయి. వింటూ ఉంటే హరికథలాగా బుర్రకథలాగా ఉంటుంది. హరికథ. Right? Don't come to the class to listen harikatha. You know, in our villages, festival time, some people are coming, na? Okay, with two things in their hand. Harilo Ranga Hari. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. That is called harikatha. People are doing some dramas, na? CH11 is a variable. What should I apply here? Data type. Is a data type range less than or equals to this data type? No. I should choose compile time error. Speak yourself. Next. Now I scolded. Then next bit onwards, you don't answer. Amma, this fellow is in scolding mode. Don't answer. Keep silent. Why I should unnecessary? One more. If you don't answer, if you step back, then what happened? You never understand the subject. When I scold you, you have to take it as a challenge. Next time, I should not give chance to Hari to scold me. What points he is trying to tell? Already scolded, but again he is explaining. At least this time, let me accept the point. CH11 is what? Variable. Variable means char I should apply. Should not apply A. Think like a compiler. Think like a JVM. Now, here compiler throwing error. Come on. Next point. Think like a compiler and tell me, is this line allowed or not allowed? Come on, Narsimha. Excellent. Why not allowed? Good. You catch the point. And tell me why not allowed. Explain. Are you ready to speak again? Come on, today you are lucky boy. In every batch I will take one lucky boy. Bolo. Unmute. Come on, tell me why not allowed?
Because
start. I am thinking like a compiler. Compiler replace CH11 with data type char.
Data type.
Char is char data type range is greater than short. So not allowed.
Short.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Why slowly talking? Speak loud. Crying?
Sir.
Are you crying?
Char data type is greater than short. No, sir.
Because of char should not char.
Char
and add ustam kada. Chinnapudu em also sound char, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, if it is an offline class, you don't know my attitude in the offline class. Offline class, if I scold, people will cry like anything, literally. I will teach 2 times, 3 times, 10 times. Still, if the same mistake is doing, scolding like anything, people will start crying. Boys will cry, girls easily will cry. Okay, people who are very much sensitive, they will cry. People who are not sensitive, who are taking it as a challenge. You scold me, okay, let me take as a challenge. Next bit I will answer correctly. Okay, from Odisha, one student is there. I didn't remember his name. He's my best student. Okay, he came from Odisha. Generally, Odisha people know only language Odisha or little bit Hindi. Okay, they will. He used to sit in front of me. They don't know English. You have to accept. Okay, me from Andhra, I also don't know English. I know only Telugu. So we know our native language. We don't know our this English, all those things. Because of necessity, we learn English a little bit. He sit in front of me, and I started teaching that points. He's keep on listening. I observed him for 10 days. All 10 days, so punctually he'll come to the class by, he belongs to 11 o'clock batch. 11 o'clock sharp, he used to come to the class. Before me only, sit in the class, first chair in front of me by dais. I observing him, suddenly one day I realized he's not understanding, not talking, so not understanding. So then I targeted him. Okay, Ray, today you only talk, remaining complete class, I asked them to stop. Then I'm asking only the student to talk. He's not speaking. Then complete 2 hours class, I make him to speak along with me. Okay. Then second day, he trying little bit. Third day, fourth day, fifth day, then slowly, he habituated speaking. Without his knowledge, he started speaking. And once you start habituated speaking, that's it. No one will stop you to understand. You cannot, okay, no one cannot. Automatically thoughts will run once you start speaking. Tell me, in your childhood native language, when you are trying to speak, what the next word, you don't know. But one, you should speak your end. Because I'm not listening, you should not, silently listen. The most worst attitude every student is having, listening. If you speak, you will understand. Remember, your brain receives only your voice, your words. It will remember, store only your words. Are you catching my point? If you don't speak, your mind will not accept the points. Your mind feels understood. But when you ask the mind, repeat again in the next question, sorry, it will not. It is asking, okay, you only tell, I will understand. But I don't reply answers. You should make your brain active. Generally, students say that, sir, when you're explaining every point, we wonderfully understand, sir. But after going to home, not remember anything. Why? Because you are only listening, not replying. Talk along with me, so that you will understand correctly, perfectly. So that the points you will catch and apply in the next bit. On one point, minimum 5 to 6 questions I will cover. In every bit, some changes, small changes I will show you. But point is same. But small changes will be there. If you start practicing along with me, everything is easy. Now this Odisha student started practicing along with me. In multi-threading chapter, there is one horrible question is there. 2 hours, one question only, 2 hours we have discussed. That question, complete class, whoever laughing by looking at the student, no one has answered, but the student has answered. Okay? Complete class shocked. 2 months before, we were laughing at the student, but after 2 months, he is answering the question and remaining all we useless fellows not answered. Next year, his brother completed BTech. He already experienced the power of speaking, the power of understanding subject. He has handed over his brother to me. Sir, he is a lazy fellow, sir. Already is having a lot of subjects and he's running away, not studying properly. So please catch him. Every day ask him to sit in front of you. Then okay, I said. But his brother is a, waste fellow. One day I force him. Today I force him. Every day I cannot force, He run away from there. One day I literally ask him on school, why you are not sitting here? Next day onwards, he stopped, come to the class. If you want success, speak along with me, remember it, and apply the point. Again and again, I'm telling you, go to school, you go to college, you go to training institute, not for using your brain, for training your brain. Trainer, you are coming to a trainer to allow him to train your brain. Yes or no? But if you are not taking the statements and not training your brain, then how can you apply the thoughts? Is it clear? So everyone, I'm talking not only with Narasimha Prasad, I'm talking to everyone. So please train your brain. What is the point I should use here to answer? You should think like two people. The program you have typed, not you running, not you compiling. Control 1 compiled, control 2 execute. Are you catching my point? So compiler and JVM are working on your statement. Every statement, on every statement, you have to think like a compiler and JVM. Already I have covered that point yesterday. What I told you yesterday, if you assign a variable, using variable, compiler will take variable type and verify type range is lesser than or equals to destination type. If yes, compile, else compiler throw error. If we assign literal, compiler directly consider value and verify the value range. The value range is lesser than or equals to. Okay, this is the simple point here. You have to remember and start applying same point. Clear my point? Yeah, look. Your statement, thank you. You because of observing my attitude. I never worry about brilliant students. The reason is I am not brilliant. Okay. I am not brilliant. Okay. That is the reason. Okay. Simple point. If I am brilliant, then I am searching only for brilliant student. I am poor student. I am not intelligent student. Okay. So I have always search for who is giving wrong answer, who is giving wrong answer. I don't see the person who is giving right answer. I'll see who is giving wrong answer. Only my eyes are searching for wrong answer giving person. I should catch him. Okay? Because he is a poor student. I should catch him and I should change his mind thinking and I should bring him to the track. Okay? Because I am a poor student, want to make other students as rich. I want to make the people better than me. Okay? Right. Thank you for observing my attitude. One day one student has, scolding me, sir, you should be like a super 30, sir. In North India, there is a super 30 institute, na? Okay, he is forcing me, sir, you should be like a super 30. You should train the students like that. Then I answered to that student, I don't want to be super 30. I want to be super 500. Okay. My core Java batch strength will be 500 students. I want to make all 500 students super, not brilliant students more brilliant. What is their fun making the brilliant students brilliant here? So he's conducting one exam and collecting 30 brilliant students and giving the free training to them and making them pass IIT exams. What is the fun in that? He has to select 30 poor students, make them brilliant, make them pass. Then I salute to him. People are, wonderfully shooting the movies and, they are doing their own business. Bolo, now tell me, is this char data type assignment is possible? Yes. Now tell me, byte, can I assign ch11 to the short variable? Can I assign char variable to short variable? No, not possible, because char variable is highest range data type. Then tell me, here and here we got compile time error because of, here and here we got compile time error because of range problem. Can we solve the range problem by, can we solve range problem by, can we solve the range problem by cast operator? Yes. ch11 and byte are compatible. Then cast operator will take the value available in this variable a, verifying is it in the range of byte? Yes, and store it in the byte. Cast operator taking the value available in the variable is a, converted to short and stored in the short. Then b2 and s2, what values are coming? 97, 97. Narsimha, are you there? Narsimha, understand the point? Can you try to answer next question? I told you, Narsimha, you are only the target. I didn't forget you, okay? Now I am unmuting you, okay? Come on, let's take it as a challenge. Unmute. Don't worry about other people, okay? Today let us work together. Today class is only for you, not for other people. Tell me now, is it allowed or not? Devesh Pandey, you should not consider sizes, you should consider ranges. Tell me, Narsimha, this line compiled?
Yes, sir, compiled, sir.
How can you say 97 is a value? I told you literal. When you say literal
values.
assignment, you should consider only
Yes,
value. What the value? 97. Is a 97 in the range of byte? Yes.
97.
So compiled. Next, line number 46. Yes, compiled. Okay, let's go line by line. Okay, control 1. Is it compiled?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
sir, compiled.
Next line, compiled
Yes,
or
sir.
not compiled? This line, compiled or not compiled? Think like a compiler. Apply compiler algorithm and tell.
Sir, compiled, sir.
How it is compiled?
Because byte range is less than char, sir.
Excellent. What the byte range? Minus?
Byte range to minus 127 to 128 to 127. Sir.
Wonderful. Minus 128 to 127. Wonderful. Minus 128 to 127. Okay. Then tell me, what the char range? Now you are assigning this range
2 power
to
16 to 2 power 16. Sir.
Sorry?
Okay, sir. Minus 2 power 16 to 2 power 16, sir.
Don't tell the powers. Direct number.
Direct char.
That's why you are unable to answer correctly, okay? You must remember the ranges, right? 0 to 65,535. Why am I able to answer? Why you are unable to answer? Because simple reason. You not remember the ranges. I remember ranges. Tell me, is a byte range in the range of char?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Minus no values.
Think. All people think. It is starting from positive number.
Yes, sir.
Byte range is start from negative number. Minus 128 to 2. 0. Yes or no? Minus 128 to 2, 0. This range is not there. Minus 128 to 2, minus 1 is not there. Hello, all you people, accepted? Everybody is telling that SR allowed, SR allowed, SR allowed. char range is greater than byte, but byte range is not in the char range because byte is having negative number range. This negative number range not in the range of char. So compiler, not compiler. Come on. Everyone try to answer. Is this line compiler, not compiler? Again, some people are telling compile. After giving this much explanation, you are telling again compile. What I can do, Rabuja? It is not compiled here. It is not compiled. Compiler throw error, possible lossy conversion from byte to char. Are you catching my point? Who knows 97 value, Mr. Subham K? Who will consider 97? Subham, who will consider 97? Compiler or JVM? I don't know, Rabbi. You people are what you are thinking. 12th class student understanding, Rabbi. You people are BSc, BTech students. Okay. B3 consider 97. Bangar Kondra no. You cannot assign byte variable to char variable. Compiler will throw error because byte range is not in char because byte start from negative number. And tell me how to solve this compile time error. How to solve this compile time error? By using cast. Cast. Now if I take byte B3 of char, what compiler will do? Compiler consider compatible or not. Compile successfully. They are compatible. Now Mr. Subham K, JVM is bringing the value of B3. What the value of B3? 97. Now 97 in the range of char? Yes. Converted to ASCII character. What is that? A stored in CS13. Compiled successfully. Executed successfully. Now let me move. What will be displayed? What will be displayed for B3? 97. CH13? Yeah. Whatever I have explained yesterday, same thing I am explaining today. Nothing new. Today I am not teaching any new point. Yesterday I explained with byte and int. Today I am explaining with int and char and byte. That's all. Why you people confused again? Yesterday I think you didn't practice. Correct? Yesterday you didn't practice. That's why. Will you practice today at least? Will you practice at least today? Tell me now. Which line is compiled time error and why? Line number 52, no error. Line number 53, compile or not compile? Size is the same, right? Short is 2 bytes, char also 2 bytes. If you consider bytes, if you consider sizes, you will give wrong answer. What you should consider? You must consider range. What is a 53 value? What is the 53 short? What the short range? Minus 32,000. But negative number not there in the char data type. So compiler throw error. Look at there. Incompatible types, possible RC conversion from short to char. Okay. Tell me how to solve this problem. I must inform to compiler the value coming from this variable is in the range of char. Right. So compiler accepted. Because both are compatible, there is a chance to get value. Then executed. Value coming in the char range, we are getting value correctly. So these are the very important points. Come on, please give me answers. Char variable, we can assign char variable to int variable, but we cannot assign int variable to char variable. Okay. Next point, very important, 7th point. We can assign char literal to byte and short variables, but we cannot assign what? Char variable to byte and short variables. Okay. Same way, we cannot assign what and what? Byte and short variables to char variable because byte and short variable, byte and short types have negative number range. Negative number range, which is not there in char type. So these are the very, very important points. Can you hope all the people practice? All these points are clearly there in the material. Have you seen all points? Are you following, practicing from material? Volume 1A textbook. Volume 1A textbook, data type chapter. Same program there in the material, Baba. Narigal. Points are there in the material. I will give you notes. In the material, data types, I said don't follow data types part from the material. There are some mistakes I committed. Not mistakes. This is a common mistake everybody say. Okay, no? Char comes under non-numeric type I have written. But you have to bring it to integer. Okay. This is the first batch material. Okay. In my first batch, I prepared the material. So second batch, third batch, when I'm reading multiple books, preparing, JVM architecture, then I came to know, okay, it should be comes under numeric. Okay. So data types chapter purpose follow Xerox material. And then following by literals also Xerox material only. Type conversion you follow page number 92 onwards. Material you have to follow, okay? Primitive data type conversion from page number 92. Primitive type conversion, whatever explain, all points are there. I have given earlier different formula. Now you follow the formula I have given in the notes, okay? Easy formula. Rules in primitive data types, 2 rules. Rules in casting, 3 rules. And test case program, same programs we have practiced, nothing new. Okay, look at their special case, page number 96. And now look at their case 2, what we discussed today. Char literal to number variable, int literal to char variable allowed. If we assign, what happened? The ASCII number conversion will be done. And then look at there. Here I given test cases. And now next page. Look at here, what is the output we'll get from below program. Okay, I'll explain this one, not completed. Look at their page number 97. What we will get assign int literal to char variable. Same way when we assign int variable to char variable, compiler will get error. Okay, next. Here I have given byte also, byte to char, char to byte. So all these points are clearly there in the material. I hope you will practice. 97 page, everything is there. So today we have entered into unnecessary discussion. Don't worry, from next class onwards, I don't do this. Okay, if you wanted to get the error inconvertible types, possible loss of precision, you have to use 1.6 version. Look, those error messages are 1.6 version. Tomorrow, no class for your batch. Tomorrow, you have to watch reading runtime value chapter material. Okay, reading runtime value chapter, what you call scanner related video I will share you. You have to watch that material. Is it clear? The video on programs you have to practice tomorrow. Tomorrow, no class in my classroom, but you have a class in your hostel room.